Hi, I'm Dan. In this short video, we'll take a look at using the VisiLINQ Permanent Link adapters with the LanTEK IV system. These adapters are available as either Category 8.1 or Category 6A. In either case, they both have an RJ45 plug. The LanTEK IV 3000 model comes with the Category 8.1 adapters, which can also be used for Category 6A, 6, 5E, etc. They're backward compatible. The 500 megahertz model of the LanTEK IV comes with the 6A VisiLINQ Permanent Link adapter, which is compatible with 6A and below, or Class EA and below. And with the case of ISO and Category 8, the equivalent would be ISO Class 1 and below. So Class 1 is the equivalent of Category 8 with an RJ45 interface. The VisiLINQ adapter, we plug the module into the back of the LanTEK. We hear the audible indicator that it has recognized it. We'll just lock that into place. Now on the plug itself, we have the key feature is this small button that operates the permanent link adapter. Now when we're connected, that will execute a test. But the VisiLINQ also has this ring of a multicolored LED around it. So when I'm not connected to anything, pushing the button right now turns the light on. So this works as kind of a flashlight or a torch, so in a dark cabinet. So we have some lighting in this cabinet, but if we're dark, we could use this to actually identify the port number. Probably more importantly is on the remote side, you have the same capability. So if the person operating the remote is in a dark place underneath a desk, in a wall box, they can use this to identify the outlet numbering that they are plugging into. So could tap it again to turn them off. And they will also indicate when we are connected. So we'll just go ahead and plug the remote into this bottom outlet here. And now when I plug the main unit into the corresponding outlet on the top, we'll see a few things. We'll see the VisiLINQ indicator will light up blue. The link indicator at the top of each handset will also light blue. And then we will hear a chime called the partner finder, helping us hear that the two units are connected. So we'll plug this in here. So we see instantly the VisiLINQ lit up blue. We have a blue indicator at the top of each handset, and we heard the chime. To execute this test, I can push the test icon on the screen, which has now lit up blue. So I'm going to actually disconnect one of these again to show when we're disconnected, we hear a chime, and we can see that this icon has also gone from blue to gray, meaning we can't run the test. If I plug it back in, that icon turns blue. So let's go ahead and just push that to run the test. And when it's running, we have a quick progress bar across the bottom that shows us the status of that test. And that test has failed, and it has failed because I've connected a UTP cable and I have an STP cable selected, so we can see that the VisiLINQ has turned red. We have on the remote unit, wire map fails, and of course on the main unit up here, we see a fail. So we'll remedy the situation by changing the cable type from STP back to UTP. So we can see here it says Cat6A STP. So I'm going to go select UTP, generic Cat6A UTP, and verify the MVP. Hit OK. And now we see here it's Cat6A UTP. So if I hit test, or in this case, I'll just push the button on either one of the VisiLINQ adapters that's going to run the test. We get our progress bar, and now we'll get a pass as this test passes because I've used the right cable type selection. So we see green on both VisiLINQ adapters, green pass on the remote handset, and port 2 has a pass icon. So thank you for watching this short video on the use of the VisiLINQ PLA adapters. I'm Dan Barrera.